What's up guys, this is Zach with ECS Tuning, and today we're finally going to start turning some wrenches on the 2018 Volkswagen GTI Sweepstakes car that we're going to be giving to one of you. That's right, we're giving away that car. All you got to do to get entered to win is spend $50 at ECStuning.com, and each multiple of 50 you spend gets you a new entry automatically. To learn more about the sweepstakes, check the link in the description below. Today we're going to be addressing the stock ride height issue, and we're going to be addressing it with the help of H&R's Street Performance Plus coilovers. These are going to be great for this car. They're a monotube shock design that is designed to work with progressive springs. So it obviously uses progressive springs. So that'll give us some comfort in the streets, but some hard cornering in the sheets. They come with adjustable camber plates as well, so we'll really be able to get the alignment dialed in once we get our new alignment rack installed from Chem. So I'm really excited about that, but for now I think we'll just eyeball them. But these are going to be great. The car's going to look a lot better, so I think I'm going to get to installing them right now, and then we'll take the thing out and see just how they feel. So yeah, let's go install. Things feel good. Right out of the shop, just driving around on these crappy roads, they're comfortable. They're taking all sorts of imperfections in the road like a champ. But man, as soon as we get into these corners, they feel fantastic. They're on fire. I'm getting really excited about this. This thing's gonna be just phenomenal once we get sway bars and everything else we're putting on this thing. It's already really good. Let's hit some tight corners, but it's comfortable. I'm not sure that I would know I wasn't on stock suspension just traveling straight down the road. But once we get into some tight corners, I bet it will be pretty apparent. Hang on, Steve. Yeah, these are good. I do like these. Well, this thing feels great. That is to be expected, I suppose, but the fact is that it does. It feels really good. It's comfortable going down a bumpy road, but it is tight in the corners. So great job, H&R. Thank you very much. These are some fantastic coilovers. They feel great on the car, and it's getting me excited. Things starting to look right. It's low. Now we just need to get rid of the stock wheels, and we're gonna get rid of those stock brakes. So next week, I think we're gonna do StopTech's ST40 kit and a set of new speed wheels and get the thing looking proper. So check back for that. And in the meantime, make sure you're subscribed, like this video, share this video, comment on it, do all that stuff. And we'll see you guys next week.